Hey there, Oreck fans. How about we get back to some dirt pickup tests? Let's do a 2-cycle, 10-gram baking soda in the carpet test with this XL2800 and also XL21. Both have been completely refurbished and both have new brush rolls at the time of refurbishment. I have an overabundance of Oreck paper bags. It's just unbelievable how many of those things I have. I've got the green ones, I've got the blue ones, and also I've got 2 different types of HEPA bags. So let's actually go through and I'll sacrifice this particular HEPA bag to use in these tests. Let's figure out what this brand new, never used bag weighs. And it's so hard to see because it's so wide and flat. I need to use this block of wood to lift it up enough. All right, let's see if I can get a decent balance. Okay, you can see that. I'm going to call it at 73.03 grams. 04 grams, 03 grams. All right, 73.03. Let's see how much we picked up. Okay, we did not that much. It wasn't that great. So if I take 75.85 and I subtract 73.03, I get that much out of 10 grams. And of course, that's easy to just move the decimal place. And we are at 28%. Now, that's for 2 cycles. So I took a look at the 10-cycle score, and yeah, it's well underneath the 10-cycle score. But this doesn't have all that much CFM. So let's move on to the XL21. Hopefully it'll do a lot better. Just a reminder, the bag in there is starting out at 75.85 grams. So who's hoping that this 21, with its 35 more CFM, gets more fine dust than the 2800 did? Oh yeah, we we got more. Turn on my flash there. So we ended up with 81.64, subtract 75.85. Yeah, quite a boost. And if I move the decimal place, we're at 58%. That's in 2 cycles. Really fantastic improvement over the XL2800. Coming in at a definitely lower than average score, the XL2800 on the left only grabbed 28% of the fine dust in the pile carpet. The much newer and much higher airflow XL21 comes in at a much higher than average 58% fine dust score. So just a note, we're talking 53 CFM compared to 88 CFM. And on top of that, the CFM density on the XL21 is over a 5. That is 5 CFM per square inch of rug nozzle opening. That's like Kirby Avalier level. That's way up there. So it's able to pull that fine dust from deeper into the pile than the much older and much lower CFM XL2800. Now the average right now, the running average for bagged and or bagless machines in the 2-cycle test is 44%. And of course we don't extract from the bag because you can't really extract fine dust from the bag. So what a great showing from the XL21. And I guess I was kind of expecting the older XL2800 to do quite a bit less because its 10-cycle test was 49%. So I knew that it had to be less than 49%. Ended up with 28%. The XL21 did 88% with its 10 cycles. And then, of course, 2 cycles dropped somewhat significantly down to 58, but it still did a much better job. So if you have the XL21 and you use it on pile carpet, rest assured that it will do a pretty good job picking up fine dust. If you have the older XL2800, it's going to do less than an average job. Now, it's a good surface cleaner, but it just doesn't have enough oomph to pick up fine dust out of a pile carpet. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tests.